What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that should I stop learning PHP because the demand for PHP developer is low? Okay, let me read you the question. Sir, nowadays I'm learning PHP myself, but some of my people ask me to stop learning PHP. They ask me after that sometime PHP will be not used. Okay, the question is quite simple. Some people are saying that after few years PHP will not use, similar to Perl. Here's one thing: when there was a Perl was a web programming language. It was a native web programming language. Now PHP is a native web programming language. So my first answer question is that is there anything other than PHP? What do you think PHP will replace by? Is there any another web programming? No, Python is not a web programming language. You need to use a framework. Even Ruby is not. Even JavaScript is not. PHP is only a native web programming language, so there's currently no programming language on the horizon which can replace PHP. Number one. Number two, after the launch of PHP 7, it become more dynamic, it become more object oriented, it become much better in efficiency, speed. So whoever is telling you crap, stay away from his advice. I mean, just buy the book called PHP for Mori. I will be throwing the link. PHP is not going to die. PHP is the future, at least for next 10 to 15 years. I mean, like web programming standard HTML did not change overnight. They are not like a gimmick language like Ruby on Rails or Ruby. Now we are in Web 2.0. Maybe they can be a new programming language which can replace by PHP. But in Web 3.0, which will take at least 10 years. For right now, do not waste your time. Learn PHP. Whoever is telling you the crap. Do not listen to the hater. Hater, go away. PHP is the king. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.